Maldives lays red carpet for Indians after 42% dip in tourists. The developments come as ties between Maldives and India nosedive following derogatory remarks by three Maldivian ministers against Prime Minister Modi on social media last year. Take a look at this detailed report.
The Maldives reaches out to Indian tourists after arrival from the country dropped by 42% in the first 4 months of 2024. The fall in tourist arrivals follows a diplomatic row between the two nations that stemmed from derogatory remarks by Maldivian minister against Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi after his visit to Lakshadweep in January. Prime Minister Modi's posts were interpreted as promoting Lakshadweep as an alternative tourist destination to Maldives. The remarks sparked a massive backlash as several Indians, including celebrities, dropped their plans to visit Maldives and started a Lakshadweep Chalo drive. In 2023, the Maldives welcomed 73,785 Indian tourists between January and April. This year saw only 42,638 arrivals from India during the same period. This translates to a loss of 31,147 tourists, severely impacting the island nation's tourism revenue. Tourism is Maldives' largest industry, accounting to 28% of its GDP. On an average, a trip to Maldives from India can cost rupees 1.5 lakh per person for a 7-day stay. Thus, a decline of 31,147 tourists results in a revenue loss of rupees 468 crore or $56 million. Travel agencies report an 80% decline in revenue due to the drop in Indian arrivals. Reaching out to India, Maldivian Tourism Minister Ibrahim Faisal has emphasized the warm welcome that Indian tourists receive in the Maldives. He has cited the historic ties between the nations and pledged to maintain a peaceful and friendly environment. Tourism Minister appealed to Indians to support the Maldives tourism, highlighting its crucial role in the country's economy. Bureau Report, India Today.